Tired of fumbling with an old or lost key fob? The ACDelco GM 6-button keyless entry remote offers a straightforward solution that gets you back in control quickly. This GM recommended replacement features all the essential buttons you need: lock, unlock, panic, liftgate, lift glass, and remote start, right at your fingertips. What sets this remote apart is its genuine OE design. Built to meet GM's exact standards, it ensures the same reliable performance and durability as your original remote. Plus, it comes with a battery included, so you're ready to use it right out of the box. No guesswork, no extra purchases. Programming might sound intimidating, but many users have found it surprisingly simple. In fact, some vehicles allow you to program the remote yourself, following easy instructions or online tutorials. For others, a quick visit to a GM dealer or an ACDelco service center will get you set up without hassle. One satisfied customer shared how they replaced 2 lost remotes in under 5 minutes by following a YouTube tutorial, saving more than half the price of a dealership replacement. This speaks volumes about both the affordability and user-friendly nature of the ACDelco remote. Why does this matter? Because having a fully functional remote means more than just convenience. It's about safety with the panic button, ease of access through the liftgate and lift glass controls, and the comfort of starting your car remotely on cold or hot days. It changes how you interact with your vehicle every day. If you're considering a replacement remote, this product deserves a close look. It's tailored specifically for GM vehicles, so you get a perfect fit and reliable operation without the premium dealership price. What you get is peace of mind and restored control, all in one package. Ready to upgrade your keyless entry? The ACDelco GM 6-button remote combines genuine quality, practical features, and easy programming options. Try it when you're ready to experience seamless vehicle access and added convenience every time you head out. Don't let a lost or malfunctioning remote slow you down. Choose the ACDelco GM keyless entry remote for a trusted, cost-effective replacement that delivers exactly what you need, no compromises.